Everybody, Holly here from HolliDay, AnyDay. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really yummy little nut mix that's perfect with a cocktail. Really great around the holidays. Could even do it as gifts. It'd be perfect as gifts in cute little jars. They'll last for up to a couple of weeks on the counter, sealed tightly. So let me show you how to do it. First of all, let's make the concoction that's going to go on our nuts. We're going to start with some sugar. I happen to have some organic raw sugar here. To that, we're going to add some chili powder, some 5-spice powder that has all kinds of goodies in it. Let's go with a little bit of kosher salt and some fresh orange juice. This is kind of an interesting recipe because a lot of these kinds of recipes have quite a lot of oil to make everything stick together. And this they're just using, we're just going to use the orange juice. I guess we've got enough oil in all of our nuts. And now choose any kind of nuts you like. I've got pecans, cashews, and almonds. They can be roasted or raw, doesn't make a difference. Let's just make sure that they don't have any salt on them because we've got some salt in this already. If they did, you might not want to add quite so much salt. So just stir that up. It's nice and combined. Okay. Then let's take our nuts. Just gonna pour this in. It always smells wonderful. It's got all kinds of yummy smells from that 5-spice powder. Okay. There we go. Get every last drop. Clean up over here. Then just gonna give them a stir. Make sure everybody gets coated. Okay, pretty basic. Great for around the holidays, but pretty much great anytime. It's always nice to have some little special nutty snack to go with a nice glass of wine or a cocktail. Okay, let's see. Let's take this. We're just going to spread these guys out. Baking sheet. Okay, and then they're going to go into a 350-degree oven. And then we're going to rotate them and change the temperature after a few minutes. There we go. Okay, let's put these in our 350-degree oven. And we're going to put them in there for 20 minutes, and I'm going to stir them halfway just to make sure they're not sticking and they're browning evenly. And then we're going to lower it to 300 degrees and cook it for another 10 minutes. Okay, our nuts are done. We cooked them for 20 minutes at 350 degrees, rotating once in the middle of the cooking time. And then we reduced the oven to 300 and cooked them for about 10 minutes and kept stirring them to make sure they didn't stick. Let's see how they look. They're looking pretty good, nice and dry. We're gonna let them sit out and dry up and get crisp up a little bit. Then I'll show you how we're gonna plate them. Hi everybody, so the 5-spice nuts have cooled and let's give them a taste. These are really good. They're really unique and they're perfect with a glass of wine. I think perfect, or even they'd be great with champagne too. Very tasty. In addition to that, put them in a cute little jar. Give them as a gift. Lovely little present. Everybody will really appreciate that. It's easy breezy.